We're currently working on Bridge 28 on Slovens Creek Viaduct in the Craigieburn area. It's for the KiwiRail project for replacing the timber hardwood beam with the new steel rail beams.
Bridge 28 is a vital link. It's a bridge which is in the remote part of the high country between Craigieburn and Springfield. There's no vehicular access into the bridge, and it's very important that they keep that link running, because that is the link between their major customers, between the East Coast and the West Coast.
The progress on this job has been really good. Once they got up and running and got the first beams in, they worked out a process and away they went. Beforehand, where we were doing it, we needed to have a block of line of about 30 hours to put in these beams. The process now has been refined by Downer, and they can get 4 beams in and sometimes up to 6 in a break between trains of about 6 hours. So that is a real great achievement.
So in order to achieve the client's prerequisite of not disrupting their traffic, a lot of pre-planning of our methodology and works was done up front.
We put a time frame to take an old hardwood out and put a new steel beam in, and the window for the trains have been quite tight sometimes. So when we start, we've got to finish.
Our focus on safety really helped us align with KiwiRail, because KiwiRail need a contractor that they can rely on in the rail corridor, especially with a job of this nature where it had those critical risks in it, that they can then hand it over and trust that we will follow all the correct procedures, the correct policies, and do the right thing.
Protocol when a rail movement's at our compulsory stop boards is everybody is off track. You report to the safe place, which you identify, unlock using rule 902, lock off from your lock on frame, remain in the safe place until the RPO has given you permission to lock back onto the frame and re-enter the rail corridor.
We have been audited by KiwiRail in our health and safety, our procedures and our protection, and all of the audits have come up really trump. The team is working in a southern part of the country, but it is extremely environmentally sensitive. But we incorporated that in with our safety. We scaffolded the whole bridge so that anything that drops off the bridge would drop onto the scaffold. Alongside all the work we do for KiwiRail, they have a huge asset base. They're the 3rd biggest landowner in New Zealand. And in their asset base, that needs maintaining, it needs upkeep and a lot of planning. I know that some areas of the Downer business are helping KiwiRail in there, and it's just we need to tie that up.
Working with Downer has been really good. They've achieved everything we wanted them to achieve, and it's sometimes gone above what we wanted them to do.